pushing you to the front bona ngeke baye phambili. Angeke uwakhe amapage we social media ngepeace yase Zimbabwe. Zimbabwean government have fought very hard to build Zimbabwe back. When Mnangagwa took back Zimbabwe from Mugabe, there was not even groceries on the shelves. There was not even a running supermarket in Zimbabwe. There was not even petrol and diesel on garages. There was not even any running company in Zimbabwe. He had to go running the whole part of Africa, looking for partners, looking for investors. Now there is Engine, there is Puma, there is Spar, there is everywhere. That's why you never see anyone stranded in Zimbabwe, even after chasing them. So whoever threatens the peace of Zimbabwe, the Zimbabwean government will never leave that person to spoil the progress which is happening there. Never ever look for donations using the peace of Zimbabwe. Never ever do that. Yabona la eZimbabwe la khona guys. The Zimbabwe which you used to know is not the one which is there right now. I can tell you, ask the Zimbabweans who were in South Africa who have arrived home now. They are even ask themselves, why were we spending all this time in South Africa? Because they don't have anything. But the Zimbabweans who were at home, who were staying in Zimbabwe permanently, they have their own houses, own cars, own businesses and everything. Because they were thinking of the old Zimbabwe of Mugabe, so they were not coming back. So this little lady, sister, you are playing with fire. This is not this. You can do that in South Africa, in Mozambique, in Botswana, in other countries. Not in this country, which was starving. Everyone was seeing Zimbabweans were beggars all over the world, but now they are coming home. You cannot be used by South Africans to be pushed to think that is what is happening in South Africa. You can do it in Zimbabwe. There is a lot of things which can happen in South Africa which you cannot do in Zimbabwe. Those nonsensical matches which you can do whenever you think. These nonsensical opposition parties which you can open in every corner of the country. You cannot destabilize a country when you are in Zimbabwe. The people who were pushing you for this march and march are in the exile. In Europe, in America, in wherever you are. You cannot be a fake activist in Zimbabwe and survive. If you need to be an activist, you need to be an original activist. If I say there is no an opposition political party in Zimbabwe, a real one, I'm trying to explain to you every day. They are money takers, chancers, people who play with people's feelings. Whenever they think maybe the freedom we are looking for is here, then they disappear. So you have been used by people who are putting you as an activist and you were begging for donations on social media. I even come to your page and I say, my sister, you are playing with fire. These donations, this money which you are playing with, you might not spend it. You are my daughter. You are my sister. You are someone we care for. You are very young. Don't think South Africa is far away from Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe and South Africa. South Africa is now a province of Zimbabwe as per the law. They take you like 15 minutes after your video. They can take you to Zimbabwe easily. You cannot do a crime when you are a Malawian and you think, no, because I'm in South Africa, no one is going to take me. They will take you so easy back to Zimbabwe. And you will have to answer for each and every video which you made, inciting violence. Inciting violence. Now you are running away. No, I cannot go there. I need someone to go and report for us. I need someone to go and ask for a march and march. But on social media, you are busy marching a lot and you are busy forward asking for millions to make this march and march succeeded. But when people come to you and they want to give you money and they ask for you for papers that you already registered this, you said, no, I won't go there. Never ever play with the peace of the people. Zimbabweans have suffered enough, and all of the Zimbabweans who are in Zimbabwe have agreed to have the progress which is happening in Zimbabwe right now to continue with the same peace which they have. They don't want any other opposition party to come and disturb what is happening. They have agreed and seen that in Zimbabwe, all the white people are begging to be Zimbabweans. Actually, half of South Africans, they wish if they were Zimbabweans. Do you know that? They wish if the law which is working in Zimbabwe was the one which is working in South Africa, there was not going to be foreigners in South Africa. All these Nigerians, Ghanaians, and Congolese who are doing nonsense in South Africa, they were not going to do all this nonsense if the Zimbabwean law was applied in South Africa. We can both agree on this. If there was any Zimbabwean law which is applied in South Africa, believe me, there was not going to be any political party which uses the poorness of the people to go there and tell them to chase each other. Each and every person was going to mind his own business, go to work and come back, feed your own children and make yourself part of your own progress. You cannot use poor people to wear a new t-shirt on top of another one so that you can be a mayor, you can be a premier, you can be a minister. What we are now seeing there in Limpopo, that people who were saying they don't support March and March, they are now again supporting March and March because they are looking for votes. My sister, apologize on social media publicly if you can take my advice. Use the same platform. Apologize to the government of Zimbabwe. Apologize to the president of Zimbabwe. Apologize to the citizens of Zimbabwe. Apologize to the whole world of whatever you were preaching. The criticism of the progress which is happening in Zimbabwe. Zimbabweans are fine. Zimbabweans are happy. They're looking for a savior. The savior who is Mnangagwa to save the Zimbabwe. They begged him as a president to stay on the position until 2030. Then 2030, they will at least decide if they still want him to go or they still want him to be in the office. He has asked himself to go, to recuse himself on the position. But it is Zimbabweans who asked him, say, President, we have seen better from you. We have never seen this type of development for a long period of time, more than 40 years. We were expecting this progress which have come with for less than 7 years. Can you at least be with us? Can you at least be with us until 2030? It is the Zimbabweans who have said that. And you want to mess all that because you want followers, you want likes on social media. Shayama view once, Stando Sam. Shayama view once. Sebenzisa umzimba wakho noma unganika noma ubani wonke abantu bazokufollow. Yekela, leave the Zimbabwean peace alone. This is my advice, my love. This is my advice. We love you as Africans. We love you.
All right. Bafethu sekhona emafemini sazama futhi ukuthi sifunele abantu umsebenzi. Siphinde futhi sifune ikhala zethu ezisavalwe abantu bangaphandle. Sicela ukuthi abantu belalele futhi beyishare ivideo igcwale kuwo wonke umuntu izifike kulabantu abasaqashe abantu bangaphandle bazi ukuthi sesiyazi ngabo futhi sisemva kwabo siyabalandela. Okay, asiqale la. Mainstreaming Refrigeration Unit 2 316 Chris Hani Road, Baden, Durban. Kunamazayizaya u3 lapho. Mainstream Refrigeration Unit 2.316 Chris Hani Road, Baden, Durban. Kunamazayizayi ayi3. Sicela ukuthi beyilungise leyo nto leyo. Bewakhiphe lamazayizayi ayi3 kunabantu bakithi abadinga lo msebenzi. Bonola community lapha eMayville. Sicela ukuthi bafowethu nisukumele indawo yenu. Uyabona lamazayizayi lawo asavulile lapha senza umathanda. Sicela ukuthi nisukume ninxenxe iforum. Ibize umhlangano, nihlangane. Nixoshe wonke lawo mazayizayi. Sifuna ukuthi sithi sifika lapho eMayville, Bonola community, sifice seniwaxoshile lawo mazayizayi. Gordon Center, Rosbeck. Gordon Center, Rosbeck. Eduze kwasePantown Rank. Niqasha mazayizayi lapho. Gordon Center, Rosbeck. Eduze nasePantown Rank. Ngaserenki yasePantown. Sesiyazi ukuthi kunamazayizayi lapho eninawo. Amahalna berethu asefikile. ayithole indaba ukuthi akhona amazayizayi la, siyeza-ke sizowakhipha. Sicela ukuthi nisheshise nina niyilungise inkinga yenu. Manihluleke kuyilungisa sizonilungisela. Capital T Luxury Guest House Germiston, unezayizayi elilodwa lapho. Lungisa leyo ndaba yakho. Uright-ke wena ususele nelilodwa. Sicela ukuthi ulisuse liphume. Asithi sifika lapha eGermiston usulungisile. Continental Conveyors and System 49 Paul Smith Boksburg. Continental Conveyors and System 49 Paul Smith Boksburg. Khiphani lawo mazayizayi siyanicela bafowethu, khiphani lawo mazayizayi. Kunabantu bakithi abafuna ukusebenza. Wisfit Hardware eJet Park. Wisfit Hardware eJet Park. Sicela nikhiphe lawo mazayizayi. Please. Johannesburg Benoni Snake Road All Air Condition kunama-foreigner awu-3. Ahlaleleni lawo ma-foreigner ningawakhiphi. Akhipheni-ke lawo ma-foreigner ngoba sesifikile. Amahanabela sesilandele information abuya nayo ukuthi ninama-foreigner. Sicela niwakhipha. Ballito Estate kunamalama estate kalapha eBallito ahambe aqoqa abantu bokufika azobafihla lapha e-estate ngoba nalokho ukuthi ngeke size singene. Kanti hayi security ngeke isivimbe thina mase sibafuna ngoba sesiyabazi. Bala eSouth Rock Dunkirk Zululama siyazi futhi ukuthi balapho kulawo ma-estate akusiwo wodwa maningi enifihleke kwabantu bokuhamba. Sizobakhipha khululekani. Kunesaluni elapha eMnambithi Mall yezwa e-The Square. Lesi saluni lesi sirana umuntu waseGhana laphana ku-Harry Smith yezwa lapha eMnambithi. Ngicela amahanabela lapha eMnambithi ke sondele ubona lesi saluni ukuthi si-operate kanjani ngoba sesasho ukuthi konke okunjengosaluni akubuyele kubanikazi. Sicela ukuthi ke bafowethu niyiphuthume ngokukhulu ukushesha. Asithi sifika seniyilungisile lapha eMnambithi. Khumbulani Sithole eNewtown A eNanda. Khumbulani Sithole eNewtown A eNanda. Uvikela abantu bokuhamba. Baqashile lapho kuwe bagadwe uwe. Uyezwa. Iyekeke leyo nto leyo. Siyazi ukuthi wena manje yini oyenzayo ukubagunda abantu lapho. Omunye une-contain. Lungisa ke leyo nkinga yakho eKhumbulani Sithole ngoba masifika lapho sesifuna uKhumbulani Sithole kuzobe sekungabe kuhle. Gateway Checkers e-6060 kunenkinga ke lapho. Amazayizayi abangafuni ukuwadedela and sesikhulume kaningi into yabo. Okugcina ke lokho esikushoyo manje funa sithi sifike sebeshanelile. Westmead 22 Old Trafford Road 10. Uyabona lesilokhuze le ndawo engishoyo ilena egcine amazayizayi esebenza wonke lama company engiwabizayo. Izibo inamazayizayi, iMaxwell inamazayizayi, iSpark sinamazayizayi, iLight inamazayizayi, Aberdeen inamazayizayi, iTranspac inamazayizayi. Sicela wonke lama company ewakhiphe lawo mazayizayi. Zibo, Maxwell, Spark, Light, Aberdeen and Transpac. Khiphani lawo mazayizayi. Siphinde siye lapha Industrial Clothing. The Industrial Clothing 50 Herman Street, Meadowdale, Germiston. Nisayiqhuba namanje lento okudlala ngabantu. Khiphani lawo mazayizayi sifuna ukusebenza, sifuna umsebenzi wethu. Asithi sifike senishanelile. Please. Lapha ePietermaritzburg. Ngiyathemba kumancinzo useduze nePietermaritzburg. Uzoyizwa nje sheshe uyilungisa. Alex Market 273 Alexander Road, Palm. Alex Supermarket 273 Alexander Road, Palm. Kunamazayizayi lapho. Sicela ukuthi niwaphuthume bafethu niwakhipha. akhona ayasebenza kuyimanje. Sikhuluma nje ayasebenza. Sicela ukuthi niyiphuthume leyo nkinga. Eden School Glenmore kunezayizayi eliyiklina lapho elihlozi kakhulu ngothisha omkhulu, ngoba uthisha omkhulu wakhona akafuni ngisho isidalo ngisho ukulixosha. Yezo lila esandleni kuthisha omkhulu, asazi noma mhlawumbe ujola nalo. Yezo sicela ukuthi-ke lapho e-Eden School eGlenmore asithi sifika uthisha omkhulu usuxoshile lelo zayizayi. Yezo ngiyacela-ke lapho ngoba sizoxabana kakhulu ngoba sikwazi ukuthi ulifihleleni. Donnell Fire, i-Donnell Fire manje sikuyo. Services use New German. Hennelwood Road 55 have 6 foreigners. Yezo 6 foreigners. Msebenzi yabantu bakithi yonke leyo, kodwa niyithathile. Sicela ukuthi nilungise-ke leyo nibuyise leyo msebenzi. Maningafuni futhi lokho niyeke ningaqashi umuntu, kodwa izayizayi asilifuni. Ningamane nikhiphe izayizayi nifake isihlahla. Terminal Service Newark Road Richards Bay Harbour kuneforeign elilodwa enalifihla seniphinde nalibuyisa lapha eRichards Bay. Siyanicela-ke, sicela ukuthi lelo foreign nilixoshe. Asithi lifika lingasekho lelo foreign lapha eBay. Iyodwa-ke indlela yokusebenza bafowethu. Uviewer ivideo, uyayibuka, uyayithola company yakho, uyashare ivideo, iyafika izifike kubaqashi ukuthi bazi ukuthi sesiyazi ukuthi banama foreigner. Asithi sifika sifike